Shalom Israel partners and welcome to our weekly report. First and foremost, I would like to start by saying thank you so much for those of you and many of you that literally stood with Israel, asked your pastors, your rabbi, how can you sow a seed into Israel? And you literally donated and gave towards the defenders and the defending of the defenders of Israel. You helped us support the families and the soldiers for the upcoming Passover, and we are able now to stand with their families and enable them to celebrate the holiday properly. So thank you so much for that. And as the people that are standing together with Israel and with the defenders of Israel, you are defenders of Israel as well. And I would like to share with you a situation that we are facing right now in northern Israel. Turkey, a nation that is a member of NATO, supposedly to be a member of the free world, is helping the new radical regime in Syria to rebuild Air Force abilities. They are sending their people, their troops, their equipment, their gear into northern Syria to two air bases that used to be under the control of the Assad regime, and now they are in the hands of this terror organization who took over, the El Jolani, this ISIS elements, these terror organizations of radical Islamists that has been taken over Syria, and they are helping, Turkey is helping them rebuild their air force. And this is something that cannot continue. Israel spoke to the international community, told them to warn Turkey, a member of NATO, not to do that, but it seems like nobody really cares. So Israel decided last night to launch an attack over these air bases, a massive aerial attack that destroyed the runways, destroyed their hangars, destroyed their gas storages, the gasoline. Israel is not playing a game right now. We are living in the end times. We're seeing how Bible prophecies and the biblical words of Ezekiel are coming to pass now, when Turkey, together with Russia, with Iran, with China, with Libya, with other elements that are mentioned in the Bible, are building up their powers and trying to close on Israel also from the north. Not only that we are challenged in the southern part of Israel with Hamas in Gaza, now they are building a stronger front against us from the north. And Israel will not let it happen. Please stand with us. Keep praying with us. We know the end game, Israel will win and God will win. But we need to pray. Thank you. I love you.